guys, everyone, welcome back to my new video channel. Today we're going to work with current mood traders current mood indicator. I just want to say that today will be an easy day because working with this indicator will be just like for fun, you know. We're gonna test it because my personal advice for you is to work with this indicator, of course, but you have to mix it with the other indicators such as MACD, Bollinger Bands, CCI, ADX, and others. Okay, so today we're gonna test it. Is it good for us or not, and just for fun. So move on. So here we have on the left side, this is trader's mood indicator. Green color is call option, red color for put option, and here actually we have good explanation what is the trader's mood indicator. That it displays the current color put ratio. Yep. And for example, if the indicator, as we see for example right now, 41% for red, it means that at this point 41 was for put option, and the last amount of the percent was for call option. Okay, so right now we're gonna test it, and my personal tip for you: try to make your stakes is closer to the expiration line. So here we have purchase time, 76% for call option, and my amount it is $100, so I'm gonna buy call option. Okay. Okay, here we have loss. And in case of loss, we have to make the next deal twice times and how bigger than the previous one. Okay, so right now I'm gonna change $100 to $250 because I need to cover everything that I lost. Okay, and new option. So right now 66% for call, and I'm not sure. If you are not sure, you have to wait for the another moment. Do not be in hurry, just stay calm and wait for the another time. 64% against 36, so I will wait for a while because I want to make your stake is closer to the expiration line. So okay, 20 seconds left, and I guess that right now I'm gonna make call option. So 250, I'll just open call option, and purchase time is finishing. Here we have expiration time. Oh my gosh, don't fall down, please. Grow up. Why are you falling down? Grow up. Okay, $215 I've covered that I lost. So, and we continue. Right now I go back to my initial position. It is $100. New option, and continue. Okay, so 10 seconds left. 61 against 39. So okay, I've bought call option. Oh my gosh, it is $10. I forgot. Okay, let it be 10. Okay, $8 good for us. That is also a good result. And right now I'm gonna change from $10 to $100. That was actually my fault. Okay, 15 seconds left. 52% against 49. It is almost like 50-50. So I will wait. So right now we see that 50% was against 50%. It was equal to each other. So right now I'm waiting. You don't need to hurry. So I will wait for a while. It is keeping rising up. So okay, 70. Okay, I've just bought put option $100 because there was 70% against 30, and right now I'm waiting. So we see right now that everything is quite good because trend right now is growing up. That is not good. So what is going on? Come on. Okay, it happens. So you see that this indicator is good to mix with the other indicators. Okay, so in case of loss, we do the same. We change our amount because we need to cover everything that we lost. $250. Okay, 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, $205. So basically you see how it works actually. So I'm thanking you for your attention. Don't forget to put your like, subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting for your comments. Share with me with them, and see you on the next time. Bye.